Hello friends, it's me Sulesh. Today I'm going to show you Facebook Ads Manager. What is Facebook Ads Manager and why we need to use that. For better understanding, I will show some diagram here. Here we can see this is Facebook Ads Manager. Why we need to use the Facebook Ads Manager to do Facebook and Instagram ads. So this is the tool for ads, and Facebook, they are providing ads manager to create ads from this tool. But a lot of people, they don't know that they are just creating the ad from Facebook page like a boost post, and also from Instagram there is a promote option. When you post, there is a promote button there. So both of them, from the page and Instagram, this is very basic option, and it's so most of them is automatic, the setting. So we will not get the result from that. That's why we need to use the ads manager. So here we have advanced setting and targeting option to get better result. So now everyone, we know that Facebook profile. So we are using Facebook profile for personal use, and with that Facebook profile, there is already ads manager. Each profile that we are using, there is already a Facebook ads manager tool for advertising, and this ads manager is connected with profile, and from profile we can create a business page also. For example, if you have a company, that page you can create from your profile, and this will be for business purpose, company related. So we can post something related to the product or service or anything about the company, so people can see that, and people can like and follow this page. Then similar to that, Instagram, there is a personal profile and professional profile. It's like a business purpose. So if you are using like personal use, we will create a personal profile only. But if you have business related, we need to have a business profile or professional profile. So that you need to create. And once you have a business profile, Instagram, we need to connect that with Facebook. So Facebook page, so it means Instagram business profile, we can connect with the Facebook business page. Instagram personal profile, we can connect with the Facebook personal profile. It's like that. So this is now business page for Facebook, and Instagram business profile also here. So both of them connected here, and this business page, this is the admin. For example, this profile, this is the personal profile, is the admin for this business page. So now this ads manager is connected with the profile, personal profile, and if you have any pages in your profile, for example this page, and also Instagram is connected with the page, so now you can do the advertisement. When you create advertisement from um, ads manager tool, and you can mention that this ad is for this page. Also, if you are creating ads for Instagram from Facebook ads manager, you can mention this ad is for this Instagram. So it means if you are going to put advertisement in Facebook or Instagram, I will recommend to use Facebook ads manager, not the boost post or promote option from the Facebook and Instagram. Is a very basic option, and you will not get any result from there. It means maybe your money will waste there. So better to use ads manager. For example, imagine this is the one company profile, and this is the company Facebook page and company Instagram profile, and this is, for example, my profile, my personal profile, and I just join in this company. So how I will manage that company business page, Facebook and Instagram? The company, they need to assign this Facebook page to my profile. Normally that is programmer, web developer, programmer, they are doing that. They will assign this uh, Facebook page to my profile. So this page, this business page, I can manage from my profile. Then if I resign from company and go, what they will do, they will cancel this, they will cancel that link to my profiles. Then I cannot have this page in my profile. So something like that. So now you can have multiple pages in your profile. If some company they are assigning their page also to your profile. So for example, this another company is the different company business pages, Facebook and Instagram. So if you have more client, you're working for more client, they can assign to your profile. So they will assign their business page to your profile. So this all the pages will be in your profile. So you can manage, you can post on any of this page, and also you can do the advertisement for this all these different pages. So how we will do that? Inside the ads manager, when you are creating a ad, so this how to create ad and all this you can watch a video in my channel. So that will be available, the video how to make an advertisement in Facebook, Instagram. So you will understand, this is just basic option that we need to understand what are the platforms we have here. To understand, I'm just giving overview only for beginner. So once you're creating an ad in ads manager, this ads manager is common for any pages. Even you have more pages in your profile, you can do ads for any profile or any Instagram. So now I'm creating an ad here in ads manager. When I'm creating ad, I can assign this ad for which page, this page, or this is different company page, this different company page. So I can assign for which page I'm creating this ad. Or if I want to do only for Instagram ad, still I can create Instagram ad in Facebook ads manager. Then I can assign this ad, this advertisement for which Instagram profile, which company profile, like that. So that's why the ads manager is a very advanced tool to target, and we can do advertisement for multiple Facebook pages or Instagram business profile. Then we can do more targeting also here. It's similar to the Google ads platform, Google advertisement platform. Okay, this all I just want to show that the basic option. And here you can see this is ads manager platform, Facebook ads manager. You can see the ads, this is the profile, and this is the business page, one business page, and this ads manager. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you, and if you have any suggestion or any question, you can comment. So if you want to create some another video for different tool, just comment, I will prepare video. And this is just basic information that what is ads manager, and more videos you can watch on channel related to Facebook ad, Google advertisement, how to create the ad, how to target audience, that all you can watch. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe the channel, also press the bell icon. Take care.